Hey everyone, and welcome to the bench and today's What's in the Box. And we are taking a look at the Toyota Supra A90 Pandem wide body trans kit from Fugu Garage. So now if you don't know who Fugu Garage is, they're a resin caster. They got started I think 3 years ago now, maybe a little bit longer. They're based out of Russia. This is going to be one of 4 wide body kits that they offer for the Supra. They have this one, they have the Liberty Walk, a Hunter Trans kit, a Street Hunter version, an Ings Plus one, and then this one. Also, Hobby Design has a couple variations too. Theirs are a little more expensive. I got this during the Black Friday sale. I don't remember what I paid for it, to be honest. It took about a month to get here coming from Russia. Shipping's about $15. Obviously, with everything going on, that's probably, I think, why it took a little bit longer to get here. I've heard other people get their orders within a couple of weeks. Again, definitely worth the money in my opinion. All right, I think that's enough talking. Let's open the box and check it out. I have already gone through this all already, so I've already looked at it. I was excited. I wanted to check it all out. So as you see, you get everything bagged separately. Here's everything you get. Like I said, full resin kit, side panels, front rear fenders, front air dam piece, your tires. So we'll get started with the fenders. There again, real nice, good quality casting. Very minimal cleanup is going to be needed. Be the right rear. A little thin up there, but that's okay. Yeah, there's one of the front pieces. Real nice. Take a look at the side pieces, the side skirts. Again, nice clean casting. Okay, so here is the trunk options. Here you have the normal, the trunk piece, the flat trunk piece that goes on if you don't want to use the included wing. You want to use a different style wing spoiler, you'll be using this piece. It just sits right on top of the trunk. I should have got the body out and stuff, but and then this is the wing piece here. If you want to use it, it's obviously it's a two-piece system, two-piece wing system. Just snaps into place like that. There is the wing like that. I'm going to be using this piece because I don't like this style wing that much. I'm going to find a more low profile wing, I think, when I build mine, but this is it. So those are the wing options, the rear deck options. Your front splitter dam piece, which will go in front of the stock version piece, I believe. I think it's anyways, that is that piece. You have some little winglets, I believe these are. I'd have to double look at the so that is those. Now we move on to the wheels, and this is some of the really cool part about what Fugu does is they do the hub piece. The hubs are separate, so there you can see the wheels are open. These are actually two-piece wheels technically because the center section is not secured in there. So if you wanted to switch out the lips or the barrel, you could put something, for like a polished set or whatever. You could easily do that. I know somebody who does. I know somebody who makes some really nice wheels. Okay, so those are the wheels. I'll show you the hubs now. Like really neat. We'll take one out. There are the There is the hub. Tell if the camera's focusing on it. Anyway, so what you do is and it just goes in right like that, and there you go. So, I dropped it off. So there is their separate hub piece, kind of cool. And then of course you have the tires, which are going to be soft, nice soft rubber. So there we go. That is the Toyota Supra A90 wide body Pandem trans kit from Fugu Garage. I'll put some links in the description. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.